Hey everyone, if you are switching to the new Outlook and you are frustrated that while searching you are only able to search on the one folder. So don't worry, you are not alone. So in this quick video, I will show you how you can search across all folders in just few clicks. So let's jump on in. So here I am on my new Outlook. Now watch what happened when I just type something in the search bar up here. So I type, say, Deepak. It's only search my current folder. That's the problem. Now here's the fix. Now look up here in the drop down, click on it, and you will see you have to search in all folders. So currently all folders is selected in my case and hit search. Done. Now you can see results from every single folder in your mailbox. I will simply remove this. Now, here is the pro tip. If you want to go straight to the search without touching your mouse, just click Ctrl and E on your keyboard. That jumps your cursor straight into your search bar. Type your query here, hit enter, repeat the process, and boom. And that's it. It's super simple once you know where to look. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.